quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life.
Alright everybody, it's original Kountry Boi representing, and what will I be doing today? So today peeps, I will be doing a Airbnb review at Caribs Condominiums. So peeps, if you want to know what's a nice good Airbnb you can check out in Ocherius region, I will be showing you, and I hope this is helpful to everybody who's looking to have a nice little vacation, chill vibe, whatever you want to do, home away from home little spot. Yeah, I'm hoping to find something like that in this video. So peeps, let's jump right into that on the flip. Check out. Alright peeps, so welcome to a little tour. First thing about this apartment that I love so far is the utilities. So as you can see, they gave you a nice little fridge peeps. And you see, them I represent for Jamaica. Alright, titties, yeah man. No, say a tit for that right there, sir. I don't know what I'm saying, that's crazy. But yeah, you have a nice little fridge. Yeah, cool and everything. So if you come down here and you want to buy up your food and you want to cook, you have your nice little fridge over there. They provide a blender if you're trying to have like good, nice blend up drinks and them something there. They provide a nice little blender up there. Yeah, you don't have to worry about purchasing plates because them have plates and all of that. So you can see cups if you have to make your tea. And what I love about them so far, them just make sure them provide the tea bag. Yeah, I never have to buy no tea bag to make no tea, them just put it in the place for it. We have all flavors to choose from. Tetley's, peppermint, yellow label, camellia, whatever that word is, yeah. Your sink as usual, you have your stove. Yeah man, says you're ready for do your cooking, you have your stove right here. With a nice little oven, if you want to make baked chicken or you're a baker, yeah, get that dough, that's what's up. Yeah man, you have your thermos, what is that, thermos? Yeah. Kettle, thanks for the correction, country girl. Pick up yourself, yeah. You have your nice little toaster going. And if you're there with a nice little lady, you have your romantic cups, okay peeps? And them very keen on hand sanitizing, so they make sure to put one nice little spray bottle in the place full, right? Yeah. Alright, so that's the kitchen peeps. Now, let's take a look at the living room. In the living room peeps, so far they have a ceiling fan, which is so nice by the way, but you see if you're short like me, in this a place where you actually talk and it's very near. You see how I can touch it? Yeah man, so you have to be careful. You can't get too tipsy and put your hand up here or it's a problem. Nice little settee, yeah man. Nice little settee. Yeah, over there, so nice chair. Ooh, pretty centerpiece. Beautiful TV. Them have internet service around here and it's good so far as well. Nice little dining area just for, you know, you and your other significant. And let's say if you were to invite over a friend or so on, they have like a little bed in the living room that you can sleep on. Alright, you come over my friend, alright, you don't want to go home, alright, ease back on the bed. So you now have to get the couch. Instead of getting the couch, you get the bed that's in the living room. So that's kind of cool. They're actually planning for if somebody come over and them so tired till them can't go home, you know, you can just say crash man this, you know. Yeah, nice little chair. Now peeps, let's check out the room. Yeah man peeps, forgive me. Don't know, say kinda pull up right now, but it was a nice bed. A nice little bed man, comfortable and thing. Yeah, them put in here nice, them be within here nice, them very creative. Nice little wood piece on the wall, look like cedar wood. Looking beautiful, as well as a fan is in here as well. So you can pretty much pick up the ambience in here nice man. You have a nice little mirror right here. Chicka 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 chicka. Yeah, you have a AC, so if the place get too hot, you always can resort to the AC. Yeah man peeps, and after the AC and the room and all of that now, you have your liquor, lavatiera. If you're a clean person, or them lock it for me, but it's alright. If you're a clean person, you have like a little broom over there, so you mop. Yeah, nice, that's a go on. Then you have your bathroom peeps. As usually, you know, glass shower head nice so you can hold and wash off your body. Yeah, be some pretty. Your toilet. Yeah man, your beautiful mirror. Again, ceiling fan. Yeah. Oops. So that I go on to the bathroom peeps. Last but not least though, let's take a look at the balcony. Yeah. I don't know the thing go for the balcony. Yeah peeps, beautiful. So everybody, I have a balcony out here right about now. That's what's up. 2 little chair right here. Right here, so with an amazing, beautiful sea view. So, yeah man peeps. So this is original Kountry Boi representing. I'm gonna say if you don't want a nice little vacation spot right about now, I would recommend coming here to Caribs Condominiums, Ocho Rios, Yantan, because guess what? It up like 7, and me know say anybody stay here, so I gonna love it and I'm gonna say the same. Alright, so now that me I go close out the video right now, peeps, we just want to know say for thanks. Just want to know straight thanks to watch, you know, and please remember to like, share and subscribe, and big up in yourself. Yantan, little more. Bye bye.